Welcome back everyone, I'm Monica and today we are going to be making some flowers. We're going to be using tissue paper to make those flowers, and we're also going to be going to the thrift store to see if we can find any small vases to put these flowers into to complete our decorations. So let's go see what we can find.
Five. And we got this really pretty one right here. $3. Not too bad, but still more than I want to pay. Right? I think I could put some flowers in this, and I could use this at home, so I may go ahead and pick this guy up. Another teapot. Some green. $2. Maybe the green. Lots and lots of reds. And I'm kind of more so looking for hot pink, but this could possibly pass as pink. And for $3, we shall see. But I was really looking for more of these skinny ones. No price. Is there a price on this one? $2? Maybe. Okay, here is the glorious glass aisle. So let's see what we can find once we dig in and look for more of the colored glass. And preferably more of the little skinny bottles like this. Found this one. It's like a cobalt blue, kind of looks purple in this light at the store, but cobalt blue on the camera. And this one is $1.39, so I think I may pick this one up. I like both of these. More blue, $1.29. Go with that. Now maybe this green guy here. That could look pretty too. We'll think about them. Put them in the cart and we'll think. That's why you have to kind of move things around sometimes, because look, in the back, a hot pink. And it's a neat wavy shape. Gonna go with that.
All right, so that was a success, and this is the way it is with thrift stores. When you see something that you like or you think that, maybe I should get that, you should probably do that, because I was at this same thrift store 2 weeks ago and I was looking for more of the teapots or just kind of containers for my other video that I made a couple weeks ago where I turned the teacups and cups into flower planters. And when I was there, I saw tons of colored glass. I mean tons, and every color too. And I saw a bunch that were the tall, skinny type that I was looking for, a vase. So should have pounced on it then, but I needed to have a one-track mind that day, so that's probably why I didn't get them then. But anyway, today I did find some. I was kind of hoping to find a couple more of just different colors, but let me show you guys what I was able to get. So first we have this beautiful color. This is one of my favorite colors, and it is cobalt blue, but see, in this light, it's actually picking up purple, which is the way it looked at the store too, under the fluorescent light. So it's very interesting. So it's almost like it's changing color. And I love that because I wanted vibrant colors like this. And this is perfect. This was $1.39. So a nice price as well. I actually did think that a lot of the vases were a little overpriced today. Honestly, even more than $1 for this is sort of a lot for such a smaller bottle. But today I was like, I really want this for the decor. This will fit a pipe cleaner in it perfectly because that's the stem of our tissue paper flowers. So I love this, love the color, had to get it. So that's one. Another one, how cute is this wavy pink? And this is like a hot pink. glass vase, and this was $1.39. And I loved this. It was pink, bright pink too, so had to grab that one. And I was finding some glass vases that were larger size, and I think I may have shown you guys that in my thrifting video clips. But I decided, you know, that was just too big. I didn't want such volume because I may just be sticking one stem in there, maybe two at most, of either a real or tissue paper flower. So these tall skinny ones are perfect. And then the last one I grabbed today was this one right here, and it was actually it was $1.29, but the red tags were 50% off today, which was really awesome. And this one is under the light of the store. It kind of gave off this teal look, but see, even now you can sort of see that iridescent look that it has. And I love that because you're seeing all kinds of different colors here. So that one was a plus. And then again, the tall skinny type that we can fit at least one stem in, maybe two. And then one last thing, not a vase, but I couldn't pass this up. Although I'm mainly using purple, pink, and teal as her colors for the party, you just can't go wrong with black and white checkered for Alice in Wonderland. This was $2.09, and again, fits the Alice in Wonderland theme, and we will find something to put in this for the party. Let's get started on our tissue paper flowers. You will be using 6 pieces of tissue paper, so you are going to want to pick those colors out, stack them all together nicely, and make sure they're as even as possible. And then make sure the color that you choose for the top is going to be the inside of the flower. So that's the color that you're going to want to put on the top. And as you can see, I trimmed about 6 inches off of that purple piece and put it in the center. Now we're taking all of our tissue paper and we are making folds about 1 inch to 2 inches thick, and you're going to be folding that accordion style. So you got to do one side, make sure it's nice and flat, and then you're going to do the other side. And then you're just going to continue this until you have a wonderful fan or accordion of tissue paper. Next, you're going to want to take that piece of tissue paper out that is on the top, and that again is the center of our flower. We're going to fold this in half, and then you're going to need your scissors because we are going to be making cuts into this piece of paper. You'll be cutting nice long strips upward towards the crease. Once your cuts are complete, you're going to be placing that centerpiece back in to our folds. So make sure you just take your time and make that look as nice as possible. Once that piece is back in, you're gonna put everything back together, and then using your tie, you're going to tie that all together. And then from here, we're going to be making the petal shapes. So I just went with a rounded shape. So you'll see me make that cut here, and you can do points. You could really just get as creative as possible with this, and you're gonna wanna make sure to do both sides. As you can see, our flower is beginning to take shape. So from here, we're going to take each of our little tissue pieces and pull them upward. And essentially, we're fluffing it out and just making the flower look as pretty as possible. So take your time and try not to rip any pieces. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And this was a super easy DIY. It's also very affordable, and I think a great decoration to add to any party. So as always, thank you guys for watching.